Hi, this is the Seagull gallery in Cardigan, and I'm just going to show you around. There's lots of wonderful space to put your work, 2 floors. I've recently been here with my exhibition of cows. Somebody else has been after me. So if you're a local artist and you want to show your work, Seagull gallery in Cardigan is just amazing. I'm going to show you around. I'm very lucky to still be stealing a little bit of space to do my painting because I live in a cave and it's too dark to paint. So I'm going to show you. Okay. This is the ground floor with a lovely wall space. Beautiful. And upstairs to the next floor where, incidentally, I'm trying to get together some yoga on Sunday mornings if you're interested. Okay, so we come upstairs, more floor space. I have been hiding in that corner today, but I followed the light and came to this window. So I'm here until somebody else comes in very shortly. So I'm just working into an oil painting, and it's great. Pete and Lou are very accommodating, and it's a brilliant location, straight in the town centre. Okay? And like I say, I live in a cave and it's too dark to paint, so I've now got some window space. Seagull Gallery.